night with a really strong 92. We were unlucky with a broken exhaust, so we had to repair. The mechanics did an amazing job to change that in 15 minutes.
You need these guys in the garage to help you all the way through the race, and days like today, now it's just about surviving and getting it back home for the World Championship title.
At the moment we are P2, a bit far behind the Ferrari. It's not too far from the leader. We still have plenty of time. Everything is going well.
Pretty uneventful, which is of course the ideal race. Ever since we really took over the championship lead, it's been on our minds.
A bit unlucky with the safety cars, a bit unlucky with tire punctures. It's a lot of up and down, but at the end we are still driving, we are still in the game for a podium. Now we need luck.
We are happy with P2, and winning a world championship in the first year is just amazing. The Le Mans podium is, there's only one in the world.
It's not where we wanted to be at the top step. As Porsche, we've got a manufacturer's championship. We got 2 cars on the podium.
Fortunately, we couldn't win. Finally, world champion is something special for me.
A fantastic feeling. I'm really proud of Porsche, Michael, our whole 92 crew. We've done it, and in a very nice way.